Hello everyone, I am Lokesh and welcome back to our channel Online Learning. This video is related to Wipro next onboarding phases process. This is the part second video. In the part first video, we see that after so many months of waiting, Wipro team finally sent the update that is related to the next onboarding. So there are so many important queries that we have to discuss in today's video. First is if you not received this mail. Second is what about pre-onboarding training. Third is next onboarding joining. Fourth is phases wise process. Fifth is training is online or offline, and what about the stipend. 154 candidates from phase 2 received this update, 58 candidates from phase 1 received this update, and 52 candidates still not received this type of mail. Okay, so if you still not watched the first part video, you can check on our channel. The video is in the description. The video link is in the description as well. You can check on our channel. Okay, so let's start. One of the most important point that we have to discuss, that like if you have not received this type of mail, I have to say one of the most important point that you have to wait for some time, because they are sending the mail continuously and they are sending in the form of phases in the or in the batches. Okay, so you have to wait for the particular timelines, because there is a timeline set by the Wipro team and they are sending the mail from yesterday, and continuously they will be sent in the upcoming days as well, because there is a survey timelines also. Okay, so one of the most important point, you have to fill the survey form as soon as possible, because if you are waiting for onboarding update from long time, so you do not have to particular wait for the another update. Just complete the survey as soon as possible. Okay, so we have to wait for the next update from Wipro team. What about the pre-onboarding training? Okay, so pre-onboarding training is decided by Wipro team. Okay, it's a timeline, it's a duration, its mode, stipend will be given or not, it's all decided by Wipro team. We have to wait for the particular new update from the Wipro team, what they have mentioned, the training is related to 3 to 4 week or 1 month, or some of the days. So we have to wait for the next mail from the Wipro team. Okay, because in the pre-onboarding training, they will give the training that is related to that is very important before the actual onboarding. And what about the next onboarding and joining? Okay, so most probably after completing this training, they will send the update that is related to the onboarding. Okay, they will send the related to the joining, basically what is the joining location and what about the related details. So in the pre-onboarding training, it will totally depends on them whether they will mention the next onboarding joining or next onboarding and joining date as well or not. Okay, so basically we have to wait for the update from the Wipro team, because no one know about that when they will give the next onboarding joining. But according to their mail, they just mentioned that they will conduct all the pre-onboarding training in the form of batches. Okay, they will create the batches, and in the form of phases they are sending the updates to candidates. Okay, suppose in the September to October month. Okay, September, October and November, we will see the new joining date from the Wipro team. Okay, we have to just wait for the timelines, because they just mentioned that according to the available opportunity, they will create the batches and they will send the updates to candidates. Okay, so there is a chance that we will see the new joining date and new onboarding date in this phase. And what about the phases wise process? Phase wise process means different dates. Okay, so basically in the different dates, you will see the next update that is related to onboarding. Training is online, offline. Most probably training is online, because many candidates are waiting for this update, and most probably I hope that the training will be online. And is there any stipend or not? So according to my previous experience and talk to so many candidates in the pre-onboarding training, there is no stipend provided by Wipro team, but totally depends on them if they will change the some policy or not. But we have to just wait for the next mail. Okay, so if you received this survey mail, complete as soon as possible. If you still not receive this type of survey mail, I suggest you to wait for some days, because they are sending continuously the survey mail. Okay, or you will got the survey mail as soon as possible. Okay, so I hope this video is useful for everyone. If you have any doubt, let me know that in the comment section. Thanks for watching the video.